Maya, what are you doing? Okay. Time for us to get dressed. Is this what you want? Is this what you're trying to get? There you go. This is it. No, we don't need to eat it. We can look at it. Yeah. This is it. This is what was over there, and you knocked everything else over. All right. Let's get dressed. You're getting close to crawling. You're getting close. You're getting close, little dog. All right, let's get dressed.